Raw data comes in huge amounts and from all kinds of sources. Payment gateways record the sales. Sensors track readings of temperature and motion. Social media, on the other hand, tracks posts, comments, and user stats. And on top of all that, the data arrives in many formats: tables, lists, or unstructured bits. That's where a data analyst starts, with a huge amount of unprocessed data in uneven formats. What do they do next? Well, Python helps make sense of it all. It handles messy data regardless of its size or format. Unlike tools that stop at creating reports, Python digs deeper. It finds patterns, solves problems, and opens the door to fields like machine learning and AI. This is the essence of performing data analysis using Python. Every industry today relies on data, but turning data into insights needs more than just tools. It requires the right skills and mindset. Python is at the heart of this journey. It is powerful, adaptable, and handles real-world challenges effortlessly. Unlike Excel, which works well for smaller tasks, Python manages large datasets and complex problems easily. It's important to remember that data analysis is more than a skill. It's a way of thinking.